Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Husna Nazariurdika. I will introduce that our project will produce about window cleaning robot from Robotics KGA. And of course, we have members including electrical, programming, and mechanical. Electrical, we have John Peter Siburan, Dina Afrina, and programming, and Nurwansyah Rashid, and Najla Erbia. For mechanical, we have Husnan, myself, and Alia Mufidah.
In here, I will explain about problem statement. Cleaning windows on high-rise buildings is dangerous and takes a lot of time. Manual cleaning can also give different cleaning result. At Tower A, Polytechnic Negeri Batam, a safer and more efficient solution is needed. Our team developed a semi-automatic window cleaning robot that uses a line pulley system, a horizontal slider, and a rotary brush. The robot is controlled using a MQTT-based system, enabling safer and more efficient window cleaning. And now I will explain about system requirement review. First, identify needs. We have control system, movement and cleaning, and power supply. In system requirement, we have functional. The robot must support remote monitoring and control. Performance, the robot must move smoothly and clean the glass effectively. And non-functional, the robot must operate using a portable power source. In specification based on system requirement, use ESP8266, MQTT, Hive MQ, Cloud, Fast API, and a Streamlit dashboard. Use twin pulley motor, a fishing line pulley system, a horizontal slider, and a rotary brush. And the last, powered by a 16-volt lithium battery pack. And then success criteria, we have the robot respond correctly to commands and display real-time status. The robot move stably in both directions and cleans the glass effectively. The robot operates continuously during one cleaning cycle without power interruption.
For graphic user interface, we use Python language and combine with web development that we have up button and down button that for vertical movement, and for horizontal movement we have left and right buttons. Nah, gitu aja.
In this section, I will explain our concept design review, primary design review, and critical design review. First, in the component design review, we design the overall concept of our window cleaning robot. We select the main hardware component, include the ESP8266 DC motor, L298N motor driver, and 16.8-volt lithium battery, limit switch, and the mechanical components such as the nylon rope pulley system, horizontal slider, and rotary brush. For the software, we implement an MQT based communication system using Hive MQ, CodeFast HP, and Streamlight dashboard. The system allows users to mention and control the robot in real time through a web dashboard. Next, in the preliminary design review, we finalize the hardware selection, confirm the mechanical design, and prep the communication system before building the prototype. Final critical design review, we verified that all hardware and software components could work together properly as an integrated system. We also evaluate the robot movement to ensure stable operation and effective window cleaning. In addition, we identified potential risks and prepared appropriate solution before developing the final prototype.
Hardware description. In window cleaning robot, we use two ESP8266 not MCU boards, one control to robot movement and second to control pulley system or lifting mechanism. To drive the DC motors, we used L298N not motor driver. And then we also use a DC motor with a gearbox too, so robot can move horizontal or vertical more stably with sufficient power. Robot is also equipped with a rotating brush designed to clean glass surface and then allow robot to move up and down. A pulley system with a nylon rope is used for movement to the right and left. Robot use a horizontal slider and acrylic rail. Additionally, there is a limit switch that acts as a stop, so the robot will automatically stop with a reach the end of the track. The entire system is powered by a 16-8 volt lithium battery since the ESP8266 requires a lower voltage and XL4015 step-down module is used to reduce and stabilize the voltage before it enters the node MCU.
And then this is our prototyping result and testing video robot.
Next, draft and final design. The draft design uses a vacuum system. And then after evaluation, the vacuum system was found to have several drawbacks. It was more complex, required a significant amount of power, and made the robot heavier. So in the final design, we replaced the vacuum system with a pulley system using nylon rope, and the system is more simple and more energy efficient.
Scheduling. This project was carried out from March to July 2026. We divide the work into 5 phases: conceive, design, analysis, implement, and planning. During these phases, we worked on requirement analysis, mechanical design, acrylic track, fabrication, electrical wiring, software development, testing, and documentation. To save time, the mechanical, electrical, and software development were done in parallel. Activity implementation management. Each task was assigned to a team member and monitored regularly. The project was developed step by step, starting from mechanical fabrication, followed the electrical integration, software development, and system testing. As a result, we successfully developed a called Connect Window Cleaning Robot, use Streamlit Dashboard, Face API, MQTT, and Hive MQ Cloud. Resource allocation. Each team member had different responsibilities. Eno was the project leader and developed the Streamlit dashboard, Face API, backend, and MQTT integration. John handled the electrical wiring, ESP8266 firmware, and pulley assembly. Dina was responsible from robot wiring, budgeting, and project documentation. Husnan worked on the mechanical design, acrylic track fabrication, and 3D printing. Najla improved the front end, support the back end, and complete the final documentation. Alia handled the mechanical analysis, CDR preparation, and pulley fabrication. Performance evaluation. At the end of the project, we achieved a completion rate of 93.18%. The final prototype shows stable pulley and slider movement, reliable MQTT communication, Torque Hive MQ Cloud, and responsive manual control using the Streamlink dashboard. Overall, the project successful achieved its main objective before the final demonstration. That concludes our project presentation for this semester. Thank you.